Howdy YouTube, my name is Carlyle. This should be the second video of my channel, presuming that I didn't delete the first one. In today's video, I'm just going to do a very simple eye look. And I used an oldie but a goodie, Kathleenlights and Colourpop's Dream Street palette. Magical. Put this almost all over the crease. But my habit is to try and leave this area bright. That's just personal preference. I'm just laying the color down. I did prime my eyes with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre and set it with translucent powder. There, you just need a wash of color. Now I'm going to use a slightly more precise brush. This one is very uniquely made. It's tapered, but it's also flat. It's actually perfect for putting colors right into the crease. Now I'm dipping into Elfish. Remember to tap up your excess. I'm going to put it straight into my crease and don't drag it too low because I'm going to put the teal matte on the outer V later on. Just use this color to define and deepen the crease. And also use this opportunity to locate where you want your eyeshadow to go furthest outward. I want it to stop about here, so these 3 points are aligned. Just putting the color down. There. Now get a crease brush and I'll go back into Magical and soften this a little bit, especially the upper part. I'm picking up Water Bearer. Now I will use this dark teal matte to define my outer V, almost like I am creating a blown out liner. Almost, not entirely. Just packing the color on, still tapping off the excess. I don't want any fallout on my face. And bring it a little bit into the outer crease. Don't go too far, because you don't want to disrupt what you just lay down, that perfect line. I'm going to bring it in a little bit more. Okay, now grab that crease brush of yours again and soften the edges. Also, slightly blend this color into the middle of your crease. Don't go too far. If you want to, you can, to be honest. I just rather leave this area very brightened. I did just come back from work, and I'm trying to film this as quickly as I can. Okay, now I want to deepen my crease a little bit more because I softened it. I am going back into Elfish. Now grab the crease brush that is preferably clean, or you can use the first crease brush that you've used and pick up a little bit of Magical, soften the crease out again. Now comes the easy part and the exciting part. I'm going to use my finger and dip into Kaleidoscope, and I want it all over the lid, blending into the teal matte. Mostly the inner corner, and fade it outward. Don't bring it all the way here, because now I'm going to use a clean finger and go into Mermaid Boy. Don't go too far up into the crease, just above that matte teal shade. Blend them together right in the middle. Now you have a taupey silver transitioning into that perfect teal metallic. This eye is basically done. Let me do the other eye and let's tackle the lower lash line. Now preferably you can get a smudger brush like this, or the pencil brush you were just using. Dip into Water Bearer again, stamp it and smudge it at the lower outer corner. Bring it in to a third of the lash line and stop, because I want my eye to go outward. If I bring it all the way, it will close up this area. Last step, use a very itty bitty brush, go back into Kaleidoscope. We're going to highlight our inner corner and bring it out to the lower lash line, all the way till it meets the green or the teal. Now I can use the same shade, Kaleidoscope, to highlight my brow bone, but it might be too cool, or I can use Sweet Dreams, whichever you prefer. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm still trying to improve on the lighting, the audio. All of my handles on every platform are at Carlyle Show. If you're from China, you can also find me on Xiaohongshu. I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye!